By the grace of Divine Mother Sri Jnanakshi Rajarajeshwari, by the grace of our most revered, dear Guru, by the grace of Pavanputra Hanuman, and by the grace of all masters of the world, we are here today on a beautiful Sunday, truly Sunday. Everywhere we feel the warmth of the sun, and we see the effect of the sun's rays also in the form of beautiful photosynthesis, all green leaves, and a combination of the heat of the sun and the coolness of water. The heat of the sun and the coolness of the water, like the sun and the moon, contributing to the beauty of the nature. We see everywhere. We see Pavana and then Pavana Putra also. We see Pavana in the form of the beautiful breeze and air which we are breathing every moment, taking for granted that this will be like this only every time. We are taking for granted. Now it is true also, all the while we have been living a beautiful life. So first of all, gratitude. Our most sincere gratitude to Paramatma for giving us such a beautiful day today. When we read about Hanuman and the power of Hanuman, we are reminded about the different powers hidden in ourselves. When Hanuman was a child, he had a tremendous power already always at his disposal. When Hanuman was a child, right from childhood itself, he is a very, very powerful being. So when he was a child, he used to do pranks, just like we have done. He used to do pranks, and among those mischievous pranks, one was to jump and then go and catch the sun. He jumped, Bala Samay Ravi Bhakshiliyo. So he went and then caught hold of the sun, and actually he swallowed the sun. So when you say swallowed the sun, you remember, you might have heard about today's science talking about black holes. Today's science is talking about black holes in the space where huge stars which are billions of light years of size, they just go and vanish there. Huge stars, they go and just vanish. Even in the Sri Chakra Puja, there is one mantra which we say when we install the Vishesha Arghya Patra. When we install the Vishesha Arghya Patra from which we give the Tirtham, no? The big vessel, when we install that, we invoke the Shakti to come and sit in that vessel. In that we say, Soma Surya Agni Bhakshini. It is the original mantra of the Sri Chakra Puja. Soma Surya Agni Bhakshini Paramakasha Bhasure Agacha Visha Patram Pratigranna. When we read this mantra, it's so surprising. Soma Surya Agni Bhakshini, Soma ko bhakshan karne wali, Soma Surya Agni Bhakshini. Can you imagine the Sri Chakra Puja is there since time immemorial, people are doing the puja, and in that one it is very clear about today's scientists talking about black hole. So now you imagine Ashta Siddhi Navanidhike Data Anjaneya, Hanuman, how powerful he must have been. He must be powerful, so powerful that the entire universe he can gobble up the entire universe. Sun is nothing. Sun is nothing for Hanuman. Bala Samay, when he was small child, he was taken away with the sun. Then any number of crores of suns also he can just swallow like that. So again I told you, it reminds us of the power within ourselves. A great saint said, somebody asked the great saint, who are you? Give your introduction. He said, he looked at him and then with a smile he said, Kurmastaraka Charvanam. We will chew the stars. The answer he is giving, who are you? The answer he is giving is, Kurmastaraka Charvanam. We will chew the stars. Tribhuvanam Utpatayamo Balat. We will completely roll the three worlds with our power. You know who we are? We are Ramakrishna Dasas. That was Swami Vivekananda also. Ramakrishna Dasa Vayam. Here Ramadasa and there Ramakrishna Dasa. So Dasa is the power. When you are serving the ultimate, when you are serving the ultimate power of the world, then all the power comes to you. the power of serving all the power, the entire power of the world is having all the power in you. So every moment when we remember Hanuman, remember that we are actually awakening the power in us. We are kindling the power, we are kindling the Kundalini. Coincidentally, 7 times we are chanting, Jo Satbar Pat Kur Koi. And you see, Mooladhara is the base, Swadhisthana second, Manipura third, Anahata fourth, Vishuddhi fifth, Ajna sixth, Sahasrara is seventh. So Hanuman Chalisa, if you chant, you are actually awakening the Kundalini to reach the Sahasrara chakra. It is also, yoga is also completely said, integrated into this one. Every time we chant, from the first chant we already awakened the Kundalini from the Mooladhara. Then we go to the Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddhi and Ajna, then Sahasrara. That is the power of Hanuman Chalisa. It is not to be taken lightly. The power of concentration, the power of one-pointedness is inexplicable. All over the world, whoever is practicing yoga today, in a very, very serious manner, I am not talking about only Hatha Yoga. Ones who are trying to reach the Samadhi Avastha, they will all experience the power of Hanuman. So Hanuman is not just a character for which we are devoted and worshipping. No, we are actually awakening the power in us. So once again, we are very, very blissful today. And we are going to once again read the glory of Hanuman in the Hanuman Chalisa. Sankat kate mitaye sab pira, jo sumire Hanumat balbira. Sometime back, one particular news article was going around, that is, how to cure diseases by the mental power. Just by your mental resolve, how you can cure diseases. So, Sankat kate mitaye sab pira, jo sumire Hanumat balbira. So all the sankat will go away, all the pain will go away for that person who remembers Hanuman. Jo sumire Hanumat balbira. That means you are going to not just remember like, the small things, where I kept my pen and where I kept, not like that. We are going to remember, completely involve ourselves. Overwhelmingly we are going to remember. Then what happens? Jai, Jai, Jai Hanuman Gosai. The word Gosai has been used for Tulsi also. Goswami. Gosai is a word which is used in North India very often. It is used, Gosai. People are also called Gosai. The word Sai has come from the word Swami. The word Sai has come from the word Swami. So Goswami means the one who has conquered the senses. Go means senses. Panchendriya. So Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai means the one who has conquered all his senses. Kripa Karahu. गुरुदेव की नाई माने जैसे गुरुदेव हमारे ऊपर कृपा करते हैं, नाई माने जैसे, गुरुदेव की नाई माने जैसे गुरुदेव हमारे ऊपर कृपा करते हैं, गुरु की कृपा असीम होती है, इसे तुम्हारी भी कृपा हमारे ऊपर असीम रहे. हरिओम तत्सत. ओम. Just like Gurudev's kripa is unlimited upon us, so also let your grace also be unlimited upon us. Hariom Tat Sat.